Let's talk about elevators. How do I use the elevator? Press the button up or down. I wait for the elevator. The elevator door will open. I let others exit before I go in the elevator. I press door open to hold the door for others. Do not hold the door with your hand. I hold the door for others with a wheelchair. I face the elevator doors when I get in. I press the number floor that I'm going to. I can ask others where they are going. I give space to others in the elevator. Avoid talking on the phone when in the elevator, unless you are in an emergency. The elevator moves up the floors. When the elevator stops on my floor, I get out. If I don't want to use the elevator, I can take the stairs or escalator. If I had an emergency, there is an alarm button. Time for questions. Which sign means elevators? What does this mean? Which button would you press to close the door? What does this button mean? What does this sign mean? Is this elevator going up or down? Keywords to learn.